I'm currently testing my new camera that you guys are looking through right now. How is it? I'm also driving one of my favorite routes to visit my son and his fiancée in New Jersey. We plan on hiking a scenic section of the Appalachian Trail. I'm so happy you're joining us. Thanks for coming along. Welcome to Grace Garden, where I love to be. But I also love to travel and explore the big, beautiful garden that we all share. I'm your host, Carol Kanicki, and I'm so glad you've come along. So thankful to enjoy the beauty in nature and to get to work with the things that I love. And to get to share all that with you. Join me for some awesome adventures in nature and at some other exciting destinations. I hope to inspire you and to document my memories. Thank you for coming along with me out into our Grace Garden. This section of the Appalachian Trail is at the base of the Stairway to Heaven Trail, which we attempted last year. I'll put that episode in the description. It was a really great hike with lots of scary wildlife. Today, we're doing this section by parking one vehicle at the McAfee-Glenwood Road parking area and another vehicle at the Stairway to Heaven trailhead parking area on Route 94, and that makes a 2.5 mile hike between the two vehicles on the Appalachian Trail. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Oh my gosh.
You want to get an open shot?
This is so cool.
Let her go first so she can get an open shot.
That is too cool.
For them to hurt you. Mom and I found that Thursday. It's a big boy.
Jen just pointed out this, oh, it's covered with bees too.
Hi.
It's not very zoomed. Here's common Minarda. It's the same as the red flowers I have in my garden, but this is the natural species.
We like them in our backyard.
I hope it wasn't in the grass.
Oh. Well, we'll steal some from here. We'll bring some home. Our new pets.
We're gonna walk over the water that's in our backyard.
Yeah. Is that the same water that we walked through the first time we brought Mom here?
Mm-hmm.
That was funny. I'm gonna have to show you the spot where it was flooded when we go through.
Right here.
No. And it was like another 3/4 of a mile. Yeah.
It's probably gonna be pretty high when we get there now. Actually.
And it was cold, mind you. It wasn't so bad on Thursday. There was a little bit of mud, but it wasn't so bad.
A bear could be out here and you'd never even know it.
Heard one on Thursday. Mom and I almost gave up. And blackberries. All kinds of those blackberries.
Ooh. But there are so many mosquitoes. I've never seen a butterfly like this. Look at the size of it. It's huge. Another, and you were gone. Almost looks like there should be manatees in this water.
front.
But we're not in Florida.
Yeah, the buzzing sound in my ears makes me borderline homicidal, so I do my best. No.
This view is from my friend Karen. This is really cool.
Next time you do that, it's coming back for you.
Wow, it's beautiful.
Yes, it is. And there's less bugs up here.
Oh, really?
Yeah, look at that.
Oh, look at the water.
That's a mosquito.
Many.
Many.
Good luck.
I have yellow amount of battery left.
We'll stay in a Disney resort, you know?
Right.
So they have to be competitive.
Oh, is that the thing we were just on?
Yes.
And sometimes here you see turtles, but I don't see
Can you kayak on this water? What is this?
I wouldn't.
I don't know how you get here. It's
I don't know where it goes.
This is kind of landlocked.
And some of it looks like this, and it's all slimy and sludgy
Oh,
and
yeah.
mosquito-y.
And maybe it's not water all the way through all the time. I think it's a yellow warbler.
Hope it's not somebody's pet.
No.
Because like,
We just hit 2 miles, by the way.
Because we're so fit.
Got another quarter of a mile to go. I think it's 2.19 from end to end.
You are a wealth of information.
I tried to think of a smart comeback, but I got nothing.
And there's the cattails. Here's a part that looks brand new. We passed a couple of Appalachian Trail thru hikers, and Jen had treats in her bag for them. She said it's called trail magic.
poison ivy down there. It's just full of poison ivy down there.
Maybe.
We're almost back to Jen's car now. Tell me how my new camera was. It has excellent stabilization.
Batteries.
What do you
I think
think?
that's something solar.
Can you tell the difference?
You carry one
Check
solar
my new
box.
camera out in the short that's gonna pop up at the end of this video.
A lot of those solar things you could have like laid open on your backpack while you're walking.
Yeah.
There's one. Oop. One to the left there.
And let me just tell you, you guys are awesome. Thank you so much for being with me. And until next episode,
I wonder if I caught any
bye for
bees in the
now.
bee trap.